HAAS with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, CNC machining centers, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to go through this really beautiful HAAS. You can see it's all original paint inside and out. This came from a prototype facility, very lightly used. It's a TM-2P. It's got a large table there. You can check the specs. I think it's 40 by 20. Automatic tool changer, Spindle coolant. We'll go ahead and start our cycle here. You can see our head start as well as our coolant. You'll see right here it's running through the G codes. There's all our different speeds, positions, spindle percentage load. We don't have anything on it right now, so it's only 5%. A very, very clean machine. Also came over here, you can see it has a rotary table. You got your 4th axis right there. All the way around the machines, all the same condition, running and ready to go. Now if you have one of these for sale, if you have something for trade, if you're looking to upgrade to another one, please give us a call. Let us help you sell it or buy it or trade in for something else. Even to trade in for a press brake or shear or fabricating or chip machinery, we can help you with it all. We have some great financing programs. Check out sterlingmachinery.com and give us a call at 626-444-0311. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.